I'm not done. I still want more. We're here at Lidl to pick up little random things that we need at home. We need water. Honestly, I don't know how this is going to be possible because I'm with the boy and the girl. Ideally, I need a trolley, but I don't know how to push a trolley and a buggy. So I'm just going to pick a few things. We don't have water at home. Look at what I found, you guys. It's not, it's a video. Okay? Thank you. Don't worry. Thank you so much. You can be careful. I don't have a wreath outside my house, so I'm thinking of getting one. And this, look at the price. It's 10 euros. Anyway, I just saw some lovely avocados over there, so we're gonna get one. Only what we need. Hey, put it in. Sorry. My older daughter has been talking about having hot chocolate with marshmallows, so I'm so happy. I'm sure she's going to like that one. You guys, these madeleines right here are should I call it a staple? They're one of my children's favorite snacks. They love them. They absolutely love them. No, don't take anything. We don't need that. It's amazing how they said these biscuit selections have been available since 1853. Oh my god. Look at the price. I'm so tempted to get one. I'm actually not getting a lot of things because I did grocery shopping, I think on Friday, but it was becoming too much and I was spending a lot of time at the store. So I didn't get water. What I'm here to get is water. But of course I'll pick a few other things that my children will enjoy. Look at these chocolates, you guys. One of these days I'm going to get them because I need to stock up on them for when they are no longer available. If ever you're wondering if it's a struggle to come to the grocery store with a toddler, then this is it. She wants that, but I'm not ready to get them. I am not ready. So you're supposed to put like guacamole on it or what? Well, I'm not gonna get it. I don't want to try that because of how difficult it's going to be to carry a lot of water without a trolley, a proper trolley. I think I'm just going to go with two. And you guys, look at that one. She's leaving her mother. Okay, come over. Let's go. Get your trolley. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas. Oh my god, this sounds heartbreaking. It's almost unbelievable and heartbreaking that the only garden center, which is Homebase, we have is closing. Well, I'm just going to see what they have. If there is anything that would need. I know you may suffer life, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the neighbors. As it is, most of the things I would have loved to buy have either been sold or moved to another store. I spoke to one of their store assistants and asked why they're closing down. She said it's not making as much money. Oh my god, I'm so sad to see the store go. But well, it means we'll have to travel a mile or more to get some of the things we usually get in this store. Well, I'm off to the next store because I'm actually here to get lighter, which they don't seem to have, and I also need some Christmas candles. I want the home to smell Christmassy, you know. I decided to pick up my first daughter because it's almost her closing time. Then I'll be back. This place is not far from her school, which is nice because us moms, or should I say parents, can get to do some shopping while waiting for them to close if we have time on hand. I know she's not gonna like to come with me because that girl is a homebody. She'd rather be at home than walk around the stores, but this is very important. I need that lighter. You know when you cook up those Nigerian meals, you just want to get rid of the smell. It's actually not just Nigerian meals, even if it's egg. After frying something like egg, I just want to perceive something fruity, something nice, not the smell of egg.
I hit the road, baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow.
I will get a basket. Only we need only one
I
basket.
pick all the
So who is going
presents
to
I
use it?
brought you.
You or your sister?
Decorate the
Okay,
fireplace
both of you
for
can
two.
get each one
I
basket.
keep waiting all night. Wish upon a starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss.
You guys, this one doesn't smell like anything. Maybe when we burn it, but I don't want to try it. And how much is it?
Mommy, I want to tell you something.
€7, yeah. So you're meant to tell me that after Christmas I will just put this away. It looks too much. I feel like it's just for decoration because I'm not sure I would eat in those. And here we are at the candles and diffuser haven. You guys, I had one of these ones in my living room a while back. I think it's this Black Forest. And you guys, it smelled amazing. Anyone who came in at the time would ask me, girl, what do you have in your living room? That's it. If ever you find that one, get it for yourself. And this one as well. It's just a bit pricey, but it smells so good, especially this scent in the bathroom. This particular, what's it called? Mason, whatever, Aurora. What I want to get now is for Christmas. Let's stick to what we're here for. I don't want to buy what I don't need. Right now, I need the Christmas scents. I have one of these, but not this big one. So let's see what this smells like. I'll pick either this or this. There's actually one here that says Christmas cookie. Let's see what it smells like. Okay, Ari. It smells like buttercream, but I want something more spicy. If you know what I mean.
No.
This one doesn't have that strong smell or aroma, but I guess until I burn them, I wouldn't really know. I just found one here. It says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I guess the smell is from this diffuser. It smells good actually. Well, I think I'm just going to go with this just because it says Christmas Eve and it's €23. I also want to get a diffuser. The one I currently have is no longer working because these things actually work faster than candles. I have this scent at home. I actually love this flavor. When my other diffuser was working, I used to have it. I love anything citrus flavor because it works instantly, and this is just orange brew. Although I would love to get a diffuser, I don't think I'm going to get it right now because I don't want to go beyond my budget. Another thing I love that I'm actually going to get right now is the scrubbity scrub. I'm currently loving a scrub daddy, or should I get a scrub mommy instead? Girls, should I get a scrub daddy or a scrub mommy?
Scrub mommy.
You want scrub mommy? Why not scrub daddy?
Two.
I should get both of them. Bring the money.
No.
Let's go. That's enough. People laid that bed. Do you know that?
Yeah.
We just got back and I'm going to feed the boy because he's so hungry. I didn't end up buying the Christmas candle because the store assistant said the price will drop next week. You know, I think the week after next is Christmas, so she said everything will drop. It will drop even more after Christmas, but I need it for Christmas. So I'm just going to wait for next week. Can you see how fast he's finishing this pouch? Adu, are you that hungry? See it. Look. See, he has sucked it dry. He really likes it. No more. Nothing else is coming out, right? Let me help you squeeze the rest of it. And just like that, in less than 2 minutes, he's done with it. I think he's going to start taking more than one pouch of this, because obviously this is 120 grams. See, you see, he said, "No, I'm not done. I still want more." You want more? I can't wait to be able to use my mic, you guys. I ordered a mic, a Rode mic, and it supposedly came with lots of cables except the lightning cable. What did us iPhone user do to most of these mic producers that they don't make one fit for lightning or lightning whatever? So I had to order another one because apparently you can't use any lightning USB cable. You have to order one that is, I can't remember what it's called, but I write it on screen. I had to order extra lightning cable. If not, any other lightning cable cannot be compatible. It's frustrating because I know how this might sound. It might sound somehow, but having a mic would make our conversation more crisp, and I can't wait for those moments. I just got my order from Next. This is a Christmas pajama. I'm not going to bring it out yet. I want you guys to see it when we wear it. They only delivered the ones for the girls. This one is for Ike and Eri. So we still have mine, my husband's, and the babies coming up. You guys will see it when we put them on for our Christmas photo shoot. I still want to order some jumpers for Christmas. You're so hungry, you're so hungry.